I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable biometric login on Phemex, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Phemex app. Launch the Phemex app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the settings gear in the top corner of the app. This will take you to the settings menu. Step 3. Find security options. Scroll down to the security section within the settings menu. Here, you will find various security features available for your account. Step 4. Enable biometric login. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Test the feature. Log out of your account and try logging back and using your fingerprint or facial recognition. This ensures that the feature is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, make sure your device's biometric settings are enabled in the main settings menu. Enjoy the convenience of quick access to your account.